All right, it's what's today? Today is gonna be February 17, 2020.
Did you say February? It's March.
March. Sorry,
It's
Vic.
too early.
All right, Vic is with me this morning again. Yeah. So
What's up, guys? It is the Quant007. We are going to do some pretty powerful trading this morning. As you guys see, we've been doing some pretty amazing things, and I've been taking all the tips from Joe here and just learning here, so it's been pretty cool. But welcome to the podcast, and we'll have to see how this trading day goes.
Yep.
Thanks for having me on, Joe.
All right, Vic, well, you're welcome. Welcome any day. So take a look on the daily chart. We are bouncing from this upper line of the blue zone, at least trying to bounce. But we are also oversold from the bottom band, this yellow band. It's big time oversold. We should have some pullback, just in my opinion. There should be. It's a long overdue. Should have some nice pullback. So we'll see what markets is going to show us.
Depending on the news.
Depending on the news, yep.
Everything depends on the news now.
Everything depends, that's right. Okay, before we go, please read the risk disclosure disclaimer. Trade with the money you can afford.
Futures trading is very dangerous, so be
Yeah,
careful
well,
if you're doing the futures trading.
Any financial instrument trading could be dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
So be careful there.
We're watching all the streams. We've got CNBC up, all that good stuff.
Yep.
Everybody's talking.
Trying to get some good news.
Now, there's going to be a big move, I feel like. It's going to be up or down, but it's going to be a big move, I think. I think today can't be flat. What do you think, Joe?
Well, it should be some nice move. Should be. We're expecting a run up. I guess they're waiting just for good news. Yeah, it's read last night that airlines are considering maybe shut down traffic across the United States.
Oh, but Trump is going to help them out. He's going to give
hoping,
them a big stimulus. I have a friend who's a pilot for United.
Yeah.
He said no flights, there's no work. And I think he got laid off, or he's about to get laid off, or, if you're not getting any hours, it's pretty much you're not making any money.
Yeah.
It's hourly wages for the pilots.
Yeah. So we'll see what's going to happen. I mean, it's just layoffs everywhere and closings, and Vegas is closing.
It's not Corona, I promise.
Even Brady's leaving.
Brady's leaving.
Patriots.
Las Vegas, look at LVS, Las Vegas Sands, it's way down. We know that resort stocks go down a lot during any recession.
Yeah, so it's going to be great buy somewhere.
In 08, LVS I think was only $4 a share. It was it was so low.
So is silver. I saw the price of the silver is like 12 and something. That's a great buy there.
Same thing on what is it, Mountain Vale Resorts over in Colorado. They've got all these mountains, and it's ticker symbol MTN. And they went down a lot too because they've kind of shut down the resort, and so we'll have to see what happens. But it's Colorado, it's Colorado. It's so nice.
We'll see. We'll see. So,
and they're not getting really hit hard by this Corona thing either. But Vail Resorts looks like it's down from 172 down to 152, so it's not too awful.
Oh, it's not that bad. No, that's nothing. All right, guys. If you need a little bit longer, just stop the video and read this disclosure. Also, you guys on YouTube, you're behind like 15-20 seconds, so any signal over here doesn't count for you. You're just behind. Market is going to be somewhere else. All right, let's see what markets are going to do this morning. We have another few seconds before they open.
30 seconds. 35.
All right, I did this morning a little bit different. We have settings of linear regression, 33 minus 20 and 33 plus 20 upper
10 seconds.
band. It's a blue color, and then
ready for it?
Yeah, right there. And then we have a whole TMA, 30 minus 20.
This is where you play the theme song.
That's right. Yeah. Let's see what markets are not moving that much.
It wants to move somewhere. You could see because it's a lot of volume.
Okay, if the price hits upper zone over here, then we'll go short. So let them go for now. We have a trade on CL. Look, CL is over, but big time. So we're just gonna make one
Order filled.
one trade for now.
That's a great trade. It
Order
looks like.
submitted.
Wow.
Yeah, there was a pullback here, pullback here. Every time crosses above this.
And gold went down. Gold was at like 1700, wasn't it? Now
Yeah.
it's back down to 15.
Yep. And there we go. There's our trade
Order
right there.
filled.
One and done. 112 ticks, 120, and a one per contract.
Easy.
Yeah, we keep
it's
the
just-
money.
It's just so obvious with the bands. Make sure you guys check out the bands in the description. I mean, it's
Wow.
just so easy.
That was so quick. I even didn't expect that quick. So we'll see where they're gonna go again. Alright, I wanna make a trade then yes, but still it's in the middle, it's nowhere. Like in limbo. I'll let the oil go run again up there so we can make another trade. Apple stop battery.
It's trying to move somewhere. We're at that 200 line. I expect a bounce, but if it doesn't bounce, it's going way down.
Oh no, it's gonna bounce today. It has to. Look at them, they're going up.
Oh yeah.
I know whatever you want to make a
Oh,
decision.
of course.
Okay. ES just was for a moment. I didn't watch it. I was busy with week over here.
Oh yeah, we're just looking at all
That
the
was a
charts
great
right now.
sale over here. It crossed even a blue line. So
That would have been a great sell.
yeah, that was a great sale. I mean, few contracts could have been done. Or let's go move. I want them to come back. That's even. Look at that.
We got a little bit of resistance going on here.
Ooh, that's a big move. That's a 2-minute chart.
Wow. You know, for opening bell, it's so flat. For opening bell, this is so
Yeah.
flat.
Look at that. They're trying to get a run again.
That's right.
That was a great run over here. It was a great sale.
If you guys are wondering where I put my tax return, this is where it is. Into investments.
Apple's trying to run.
It's trying to run. Red is still under white, but it doesn't look like it'll be like that for long. We're just sneaking under the white, just barely. And there's the push. Still in a little bit of lost territory, 150 bucks, but it's okay. 107 positions. I'll take that risk.
It's
gotta
gonna
get-
go around. It's gonna go around up. Looks like
Yeah.
Apple wants to run.
Well, that's the benefit of going long, is if it doesn't run, I can just hold, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, so it should be good stock.
It's a really good strategy. These are some of the strategies that Joe teaches here. Is if you go, you can insure your longs. You can with puts. You can go long, and you'll be good for the long term. A lot of good stuff here, but remember, trade at your own risk.
But I don't like this. What I'm seeing over here, just ES is now just lower and lower. Didn't see this here. Otherwise, I was shorted big time. This was just like this is a great area with blue line and yellow, just to short, especially over both.
Mm.
Okay, oil is coming even more down. Let's make one more sell
Order
on oil.
filled.
Oh, what's oil at right now?
Let me just
Order submitted.
28.57.
Wow. Oh, there's just such a look at that resistance right there on Apple.
Yeah,
That's a sell signal.
they're resisting at the 200.
Mm.
But markets are trying to run up.
They're trying. Who knows if they can? But it wouldn't be the first time we saw, major sell-offs in a row.
They're trying to run up and then they just pull back and they try to go up.
And there it goes.
So it's gonna be,
Oh,
alright, we're getting oversold territory big time. So this should be
Order
now
filled.
running up. Even if they go a little bit lower, we'll buy more. Let's buy more. This is
Order filled.
ES. It's a oversold, just opposite. Look at how much they travel.
oh wow.
So this indicator is telling us they're oversold huge. There should be now big run up. I'm gonna leave the profits now to run up there. And look at that run.
Oh, we're back up.
Should have bought more contracts.
Yeah,
Look at it, in no
Wow.
time, $1,000. In no time,
You're kidding.
in no time.
You're kidding. Now, how do you get the chart like that, where you have
Was
this?
it? These are bands.
Yeah. Oh, those are in the description, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, no, I got changed description. I'm gonna be a little bit doing something else.
Mm.
But I changed this morning a little bit setup. I said let's go and see. We'll trade a little bit different. And here is our different trading. I didn't see this sale over here, but that's right. I'm seeing this buy over here. Let's just buy more contracts. Buy another
Order
one
filled.
because we are just in good position.
Let's see.
See, I said I'm gonna leave my contracts on. Could have pulled out $1,000 and be.
You could pull
Two
out
and that's it, yeah.
Pull out way more than that.
Oh, that's right. We're gonna make this time. We're gonna make more. Here's 3 contracts. Oil is in profit.
I'm looking at Apple contracts right now. Just watching.
They try to run up and then they stop. They try and stop.
It's crazy.
They're down again. It's gonna be good. Good place to buy. Okay, we are hugely oversold. I'm gonna buy even
Order
more.
filled.
Me too.
Order filled.
Did you?
About one share of Apple.
All right.
You see how low it is? 243.40. That's a bargain. I'll buy another one. Right there. Right
Look,
at the bottom. Little steady.
okay, look at here, look at us, look at us, we are in oversold territory, huge. I mean, this should be a run back up there.
Mm-hmm.
I want my profit all over here.
Order submitted.
At least, how many we have? 5?
Order submitted.
We already made another 8 ticks on oil, so it's a 200 points already. 2 successful trades, but I think this could be a good day on the daily chart where we at least gonna run up here.
Mm-hmm.
76, 70s, 80s, 7700, but we should be meeting this bottom yellow vein lines, so there should be some bounce. But we are oversold huge.
That's right.
And this is, they're proving over here that just looks like they don't know what to do. But they're hitting this bottom and bouncing. I want to buy more. I want to
Order
buy
filled.
more.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, they're pushing. How much is Dow down? Do you have a? You don't have, or you should have on your.
Oh yeah, DJX.
Yeah. That's a lot. How much it use?
21. 2100.
Okay, go on CNBC and see what they're saying there. How much is down? That's
Maybe
the
industries that are systemically important to the national economy. Airlines is
Turn,
the perfect
just see
example.
how much they're down.
All this?
Yeah. A little.
Unforeseen.
Reversed itself, right? 18 points.
On markets. Not pre-market, just markets and US.
Yeah, right. These are the current markets.
Well, you should have up here, like it's either easy. I want to see something else here. Not those.
Which ones?
Just go CNBC, just go their page. Okay, just like that. Alright, so Dow is 63, Nasdaq is up,
Mm-hmm.
S&P is, that's what the Dow jumps more than 300 points.
But this reversed itself very fast.
Yeah. Okay, and you can see over here, look at the ES, so we'll buy more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we're gonna be bringing this right here for now, our profit target. I mean, it's hugely oversold, but I didn't like this signal.
Hmm.
But it's hugely oversold.
Hugely
and,
oversold.
Yeah. And this is what happens if they run like this. They have a nice pullback. Also over here, But every time they would touch the blue line, they pull back. Touch the blue line, pull back. It's over here, and this is, oh, here, they're coming back.
They are.
They're
I'm looking
coming
at it
back.
right now, yeah. My positions are way up right
Oh,
now.
this is huge one. Look
Huge
at that.
run, wow.
Oh,
You're gonna be up $3,000.
well, it just was for, I think, pretty close for a moment. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. It was hugely oversold.
Wow.
Look at that pullback. That must be some news, some good news came
Wow.
out.
Let's see. No news. Nothing I see.
Look
Just
at them around.
Big rebound.
Look at even more. They're gonna be hitting 20.
We're back in the bands, guys.
Yeah.
We're back in the bands. Maybe it has to do something with Tom Brady.
Yeah, we'll see.
Everybody's
Ooh,
rallying.
look at that return. We are already 6,000. Yeah,
Oh, you should move that target back up.
hit it, baby. No, that's
Oh,
right.
no.
We'll just pull it out, and we don't want to be greedy, Vicky.
Oh, you're right.
Well, we'll just
Well, Vicky, is that a new name for me? That's a woman's name.
That's right. Well, my English is my second language. So sorry.
Let's see.
Vic,
Almost activated.
sick Vic.
Sick Vic. I like that better. Sick
Yeah.
Vic.
Yeah, that's what you said.
This is
I'm just
good.
gonna leave it there.
Wow.
Uh,
This is a huge run.
yeah, and I'll leave 4 more over here because
Order
we have
submitted.
9.
You have 9 of them?
Yeah.
Order submitted.
We almost got touched over there,
It did, yeah. Just barely.
but I think it's gonna be let it run. Well, you see, it hit 20 line, and then that's just this red one is 20, and then came back. Okay, let them go. That's right. We can come out right now, and we're at 3,000 once in profit. So let them run. There's some good news there.
A little bit of resistance right there.
I want to buy one more.
Order filled.
So we have 10 contracts. Because this is that was a great run.
That was a great run. There it is.
Here's opposite signal, red, green, and red. Now we are having green, red, and now it's gonna be green again. Look at that.
Oh, you can almost call it for the day.
Yeah, just another 20 seconds is gonna be there if it takes that much. There's something great news going on. What's happening on a daily? Just a little moves there, but that's oil is overbought again, but it's okay. We are
And these are for ES 0620.
yeah. They just changed I believe last Thursday.
Wow.
They changed contracts to June. Let them run.
Oh, that's the news. Tesla price moves over 5% in one day.
Move
down,
up,
down,
down.
yeah, down 6% right now.
And how about the Apple?
Apple
What's how much is down?
is down barely 0.38%.
Okay.
So pretty flat, to be honest.
I still don't want. We can come out now and still make 1,000, but I'm gonna let it run.
That's
We'll just buy more because it's so oversold.
Mhm.
There should be run. Let's go buy more, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go buy more.
Order filled.
I think this is gonna be a unique day.
Order filled.
Looks like they're gonna be running, but look at how much they're spending time down in oversold territory. They didn't go over here. They just pulled back all the way down. How wide bands are even more, and now there's resistance over here. But they are below both bands.
So it has to come back up.
Yeah, it's oversold huge. Unless they walk with the price down slowly. But I just think there's gonna be turnaround. That's why I'm buying
Order
more,
filled.
not giving up. I can sell some contracts here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Remember, we're well funded.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, look at that.
There's a good big move.
MNQ. MNQ.
Yeah,
And there it is.
let's change this one to NQ. That's the same.
Big green run.
Yeah. Good thing we made money this morning in oil. Oil stopped. What's happening with gold? Gold is going up. Alright, they're pushing with ES even more down. But that's right, don't worry. That's why when you get in a profit a lot, you put your stops about. If it turns around, you can pull. But I know this is oversold huge.
It is. That's gonna come back up.
And we are well funded, so I know I'm making money. That's just question how much. We were like 7,000 points in.
Oh yeah.
Now we are 11 down.
They move very fast.
Oh yeah, they're gonna turn around. Some good news and they're gonna be going big time.
That's right. It's such a volatile market right now. You know, this stock Regeneron.
Yeah. Looks like gold is gonna be coming down.
Now gold moves inversely to the market, right?
No, not all the time. Lately it was going with market down. It was 1700, the market was selling off and they were selling off too.
Regeneron is the company that's got the vaccine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. REGN.
What's the Baidu doing these days? BIDU?
Looks like it's 87.45 down.
Wow, can you pull up the chart?
Yeah. 87.16.
Okay, what's the chart there? Can you see the longer chart?
Let's see.
Like 6 months or a year?
Yeah.
Alright, look at that ES, man. That's gonna be today. Should be great buys now.
Yeah. It's well outside the bands.
Yeah. I mean, huge.
Wow.
I'm just gonna be buying more as we going.
Order filled.
As we
Order
are going.
filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh, look at that sell-off.
Let's see what's going on in the news here. So I've got Apple,
How much is down on Apple?
239.
That's it?
It's down 239. It was at 249 when I bought it yesterday.
So now it's only 239 down?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be a big run.
I need a make some orders right now. I'm gonna buy some of this Apple here.
Activities that they've done. They're
Here's here's our chance to make some money finally this morning.
You could be 20,000 up in the green today.
Yeah. The way it's just hugely oversold. Maybe this is finally the day where they're gonna turn around.
So this is pretty much if this works out, this trade, you could just retire right now.
Yeah. Yep.
Forget going on game shows, guys. This is the real world. This is Jeopardy times 10.
Let them run, let them run.
So we're looking at a big push up on NQ right there.
Yeah, but we are in ES, so it's
NQ kind of leads it, doesn't it?
yeah. Yeah, it does.
So is Apple. Apple's back up.
Looks like Apple wants to go up now.
It
This
does.
signal failed.
Hmm.
Yeah, looks like it wants to go up.
Failure of the sell signal.
Yeah, well that's why ES is going and NQ is going up.
Hmm. Let's see. I need to get Ninja Trader 8. Look at that. I'm running off of Thinkorswim. It's
It's
just
just
not
great
as good.
platform.
Yeah, it's not as good as Ninja Trader.
Yeah, it's not for futures. This is for futures.
I'm looking at some resistance here.
Watch them turn around.
That's quite the support zone.
Watch them turn around. Ooh,
Right.
wow, look at that. Look at that. We'll move this targets down. This one's right here for now. Okay, looks like we're gonna be buying more. I just
Order filled.
get 20.
Order filled.
Dow is below, goes below
Mm-hmm.
20,000.
Now we did have a a support zone that we indicated a few days when you look at the year chart, and we pretty much indicated you can't get below how much was the support
Let's
on the Dow.
Okay, well, we're looking on NQ, I believe, and this is about 6,800 and about 6,500.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see what's gonna be.
And we were talking about a few days ago on the Dow Jones. You can't get it. I mean, our support zone is 17,000. So
Yeah,
gonna,
18, yeah.
can't get below what 18 or 17,000
Let's take a look over here if we can on YM.
because we're about to bottom out real quick.
Oh, it's a hugely oversold. Look at here on the YM. That's a Dow. It's hugely oversold too.
You know, a little bit of bounce right here on the markets.
Yeah, Apple's making bottom.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it made a support.
Yeah.
Check your chart.
Let me go back to here. Let me just go back to NQ. They're hitting this bottom again.
Wow.
Alright, they're running up. There is.
So it generated a pretty big support zone.
Yeah,
Order submitted.
they're trying to go. Just taking us a little bit longer this morning to make money.
Mm-hmm. It's coming back up towards the band there.
Yeah. So hopefully it runs and it takes all these targets out.
It's outside of the band for way too long. Look at that. Look how long it's been out there.
Yeah. Huge.
Remember, you can get these bands on the description below. Make sure you go check them out for NinjaTrader 8.
Thank
And
you.
there it is.
There's a huge one. Look at huge.
And did we tell you?
Yeah. Yeah. Bands are saying there.
The bands are the indicator. All right, we just broke even for a second.
All right. And we should start seeing some results. Looks like pretty soon.
Order submitted.
They go into our territory. Just start taking those out.
There it is.
Looks like we have to pull this one, this target a little bit down.
You know what you could use as a giant mouse pad right here.
Yeah.
I have one.
Yeah.
I bought it for $10. And it takes the whole table.
What do you
Perfect
need?
for a mouse.
Oh, this is everywhere. This one is everywhere.
Because then that's a rough surface. So you want to use a mouse pad. Look at that support zone right there.
Yeah. Hopefully this is bottoming for today, and they start just going up.
Yeah, I'm counting on it.
So
'Cause
people can start making. A lot of people are crying around and hearing how much they lost. All right, almost our first target.
All right, we're back up in the green, guys.
All right.
And
There's
execution.
first one,
Order
second.
filled.
Boy, that's what we love. That's what we love. Start making money
And,
there.
and we know that other people have these same targets. So when it goes up like this, all it does is keep sending it higher.
Yeah.
It has good momentum.
Look at that. Almost got third target out. Alright, we got a couple of them.
It's trying.
Profit. That's what's important, that you're well funded and you can do these things and you can make everyday money.
Define well funded.
Well, depends what you're trading. You can trade M and Qs and NQs, and with few thousand you can go I mean, on ES, margin is 500 a day. I don't know, they changed now. Maybe it's 1,000. I don't know how much is now, but I know they changed. But when it's regular trading, it's 500 a day. So
500 a day.
that
Order
means for
filled.
margin, there's another target.
Order
Another
filled.
one.
We're just sweeping it up.
Yeah. So that means that it's a margin plus what you losses. So like we had losses over here that you can handle.
Mm.
So if you can handle, say $1,000 a contract on ES plus margin, that's 1,500. So if you just look that way, that's 10 contracts, 15,000, but you can make 5, 6,
Order filled.
7,000 a day, easy.
Mm-hmm.
As long as you can hold your
Order filled.
margin and on losses.
Wow. And there it is.
Okay, we still have 14. Let's bring this 4 over here. And then we'll see where we are.
Order filled.
All right. Let's sell another one.
Order filled.
All right. There's almost one more.
Order filled.
All right. So we have nine left.
Order submitted. Order filled.
We'll use this push to get out of our
Order
contracts
filled.
right there.
Order filled.
All right, we have 5 more.
Order
That's these
canceled.
5. Okay, let's go. See if they can reach us there. It's a normally pullback on this big round.
Mm.
We can just come out market if I want to, but let's see if we can reach us. If it comes down to here, I'll just close it manually.
Mm.
We just get ready.
Looks like it's building a support.
Yeah, looks like it has to be some pullback on this big run. Even when the run down, it made some pullbacks too.
My positions are back up a little bit. you know.
All right, all right, all
So
right.
still,
Look at that, look at that. Look
yeah,
at that.
still broke even for the day, but the position overall still negative $700. But it's okay. Looks like we got that run. 8 EMA is gonna pass 20 SMA, and when it does, that's gonna be a lot of power.
Yeah. Should be the running up there.
But that's only with time, because of course 20 SMA is a lagging indicator. So when
Looks like they wanna go to 200, which is at 248.55.
they're about to converge
Yeah.
at 241.50. That or it's gonna touch the top and maybe not cross, but we'll see.
All right, are we gonna make a run over here?
There it is. We built the support zone like we talked about, and now we're about to hit a home run.
Hurry. Let's take a look. Oh, we're only 15 minutes in trading, which is great. Okay, I'm gonna make a stop over here. If it crosses, I'll just close manually. If it crosses under this red bar where it was the bottom, if it crosses down, I'll just close it manually. But looks like it should be going up. Right there, there's a push.
There it is. It's running.
Right there, almost. Let's cheer. Push it, baby, right there. Ah, you just in a few ticks, right there.
Order filled.
That's
Closed.
it. Woo! Made a record today, Vic.
$13,000. Wow, that's incredible.
We made
Wow.
a record. 13-1.
Don't forget, you can get these bands on the description.
Oh, look, we got lucky over here. Look at it's overbought, and there should be
Order
some
filled.
pull down on oil. It's huge. Look at that.
Well, you can. Wow,
So
it's
we're
way
just-
outside the bands.
We're just getting like
Great signal.
trades, yeah,
filled.
great
Order
signals.
filled.
Let's see if we can make a couple more 1,000 points and be 15. We're having fun over here.
Wow.
So this is signal to go up, but if this signal fails, then it will be great. Let's just, if oil goes a little bit up there, I'll just load on some good sales.
Looks like it's coming back down.
Let's go make
Order,
a few more.
order filled.
There was that nice ES. Well, ES is getting now in over very close to overbought, so it's going to be some pullback and then hopefully run up there. But we are over blue line, which is very close to yellow. That means for the market's up. This signal is up, so we may get pullback and then going up.
Goldman
There,
Sachs
yeah.
calls it. They say there's going to be a recession.
Well, yeah, markets are under 20% down.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever that comes,
UCLA says we're already in a recession.
yeah, whenever markets are 20 under percent down, that's what they call.
Really?
Yeah, they call it a recession.
Things are kind of calming down here on the markets a little bit.
Yeah. We had to wait a little bit for our targets to get in profit, but it was worth it.
The volatility is coming down a lot.
Yeah.
Looks like trading's really just slowing down here. My positions are coming back up. Apple 243, which is not bad. So up 150 for the day, down 640 for the overall position.
All right,
Not bad.
you're going up.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. Because we bought Tesla, you bought Tesla a few days and that went down.
Yeah, bought it at 558. It's at 409 now. But it's only 5 shares.
Well, you had a yesterday great day.
Yesterday was
Yesterday morning, yesterday
Oh.
morning you made quite a good amount.
Oh, yesterday morning was ridiculous.
Yeah, you made quite a good amount yesterday morning.
And so
On
you guys,
Apple.
for you guys who don't know the story, it was on Friday, and it was when the president was giving his Corona briefing, and Joe's telling me, hey, make sure, are you seeing what's going on in the news? Let's meet up for coffee. We need to figure out what's going on. I'm buying coffee at the coffee shop, and then Joe says, yeah, well, what happened, Vic? And you didn't day trade, did you? And I said, Joe, I did. And I'm down $1,600. And he said, are you kidding? He was like, how? And I said, I sold Apple right before Trump spoke, and I took a nap and fell asleep. And then after that, then I'm getting coffee. He says, Vic, get out of the coffee line and go close your positions now. And by that time, the market had already closed, and I was down $1,600. So I held on to my short sale positions until Monday, just hoping that it would, the markets would come back in my favor.
And I was praying all weekend.
All weekend. And fortunately, it did. And on Monday morning, I closed the position, coming out $1,600 in profit.
All right, see, that's how it goes.
It was crazy. And it looks like we're pretty high in the green on Oil.
Let's close it over here.
Order filled.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. We are almost 14,000 points.
Wow.
All right, let's look for one more trade. Let's look for one more trade. We have a nice support over here. Let's go buy some
Order filled.
ES and make a sell over
Order
here.
submitted.
I want to make 15,000 points.
15,000 points?
Yeah, we need only 1,030.
You're gonna get taxed like crazy on this.
Let's go to make that 15,000 points. Those are only points.
Points?
Yeah, those only points. Look at this, we're running up there. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, we're about to strike, guys. We did develop a good support there.
Let me get out. That's a
Order
little bit
filled.
going up. All right, look at this. We made another. So we're like 805 points away.
Now we're waiting for a good setup.
Yeah.
Waiting for a good setup.
Yeah,
so.
this is still down setup. This could turn around and make some pullback.
Mm-hmm.
But let's take a look. Let's make a trade on an NQ. Let's just go
Order
buy.
filled.
Because if it goes against us, we'll just hedge it.
There's
Let's
200
see.
bucks right there.
Let's see
Order
if we can
submitted.
get there. Right there, almost. In a couple of ticks.
And we're out.
Order filled.
All right. And this morning everything is going our way. 14,640. So we are 360 points away.
Now we're at the top of the gold band.
Yeah.
So now, of course, it's coming back down.
Yeah, we are about. But there's gonna be pullback. Let's just make a sale over
Order
here.
filled.
But we'll be careful with this sale because it may turn and just run. So as long as it goes a little bit more down, I'll just close it. We'll just go
There it is.
little by little. Come on, get us. Well, I'll close. I
Order
don't like that
filled.
pullback. All right, we are like
150 points away.
yeah, not even that much.
Wow.
All right, this is just they're giving us this morning. What can you do? Look at this.
It's just
Oil is oversold big time. I mean overbought.
overbought.
Yeah.
That'd be a great. Oh, right there, oil. Look at oil.
I wanna. Don't feel like taking trade short over here yet. See, there we are in. This could just. But let's see. Let them set up. All right, let's buy over here.
Order filled.
Let's buy there. Let's go
Order
over here.
submitted.
There's a good support, right? Perfect, perfect. That was perfect. See,
Order filled.
right there.
Done. He's all done.
Yeah,
We're
we're
out.
down for today.
We're out.
We've got even more. 1565.
And we're out. That's great.
All right. Well, that was fun. That was fun week over here. That was fun. The trades were going our way this morning. Which every morning this is like 15,065 points. A bunch of contracts we were able to pull out of any trades that were going against us, and we still made good profit. So this is like 30 a day, 31st day.
I was
In
like, man, when are you
profit.
gonna finish? Because I had to pee, you know? Like, when's this thing gonna get hit 15? I can't leave until it hits 15. I had to pee so bad, when once he hit 15, I ran to the bathroom.
Okay, we're 1 hour into trading. Looks like markets likes to run. They're gonna run today. For now, we are in the overbought zone. Could expect some pullback, but they can just walk and go. Look at blue line wick over here. It's inside, needs to come outside. So for now, this is the bottom. Oil is overbought, but trying to run with the markets. So we'll see. So we had a great day, 15,065 points. Yep, 1565. The best day so far. And then we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you later.
Take care.
Don't forget to get the indicators.